Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We're going to dive in to see how to create your custom reports in Shopify and explore Shopify's AI assistant, Sidekick. This tool will allow you to create your custom reports by typing out your request, and Sidekick will do the rest for you. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at some of the default reports in Shopify. Click on Analytics and then click on Reports. Here you'll see a list of reports already created by Shopify. Let's open the total sales over time report. At the top, you can see the date selector and the comparison options. The metrics section shows all the columns included in the report. You can also add more columns by clicking the plus symbol. For example, let's click on customers and add the total amount spent column. Now you can see the column added in the report. You can adjust how the data appears in the row by selecting different dimensions. If you choose day, the report will break down the data for each specific day. If you select month, it will group the data by month. Let's take a look at the visualization option. Above the report, you will see a visual chart. By default, it shows a line chart based on your data. You can switch this to a vertical or a horizontal bar chart, a donut chart, or even a breakdown bar, depending on how you want to visualize the data. Now let's look at filters. For example, if you want to see sales greater than $300, click the plus symbol, select total sales, choose greater than and enter 300. And now you can see the list of all the sales for each month, which is about 300. This is just one example. Feel free to add multiple filters based on how you want to view your data. Now you know how a default report looks. Let's build a custom report by using Shopify's Sidekick. Sidekick is an AI assistant. You can access it by clicking this icon at the top right corner. All you need to do is type out your report request and Sidekick will generate it for you. Let's create a report to see new versus returning customers along with their total lifetime spent and order count. You can simply type, I want to see how many new customers and how many returning customers I have, and I want to see the total order count and total lifetime spent amount for new customers and returning customers separately. In just few seconds, Sidekick will create the report for you. You can simply click the link to open the report. All the specifications that I gave, Sidekick used it to create this report. Since I did not give a specific date range, it selected the date as all time by default. You can see the order count and the total spent amount for new and returning customers separately. You can also customize by adding any additional columns or filters as well. If everything is set, click Save, enter the name to identify your report, and then click the Save button. Now you can click on Reports and access your saved custom report anytime. Let's create another custom report to see the most purchased products with quantity sold and customer's email. This time, I'm defining the date range for the last 6 months. You can see that the date range is selected in the report for the last 6 months, the quantity ordered column, and the product title is added as the dimension. The report shows the ordered quantity in descending order from the highest value to the lowest value. Now I want to change the sort to see from the lowest quantity to the highest. I can either click the sort arrow and change it, or I can go to the QL section and change from descending to ascending, and then click the Run button. If you want to learn more about editing QL by using QL syntax, I have added the Shopify link in the description. Now I can go ahead and save the report. Thank you for watching. I hope this makes it easier for you to create the custom reports you need. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Shopify videos.